Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the washer or switch the breaker and wait 1 minute. This resets the control board and clears transient faults. Next, inspect the door latch and strike. If the latch is bent or the strike misaligned, the door error appears because the sensor cannot detect a closed lock. Remove visible debris from the gasket and check for trapped items. Once done, close the door firmly and restore power to see if the DE code clears immediately. Now you run a service or diagnostic cycle. This forces the machine to call the door lock routine so you can observe behavior. Listen closely. A functioning lock actuator clicks and holds. No sound suggests mechanical or electrical failure. If you have a multimeter, disconnect power, access the lock assembly, and check continuity on the door switch and lock terminals. Faulty continuity or intermittent readings indicate replacement is needed. Make sure to note the part number. Proceed to replace the lock assembly if testing showed failure. Unplug, remove the top or front panel per model, disconnect the harness, and install the new lock. Tighten fasteners and realign the door so the strike meets the latch squarely. Once reassembled, run a short wash or verification cycle to confirm the DE code is gone. If the error persists, recheck the wiring harness for damaged pins and test the main control board. Intermittent signals from a bad board can mimic a door error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.